Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're in day 2 of jury selection in the state of Idaho versus Lori Vallow Daybell. First, we have the copyright disclaimer and the true crime disclaimer. Now let's get into it. We're at Ada County Courthouse in Boise, Idaho. The initial pool of 1,800 prospective jurors is slowly being whittled down. Some of the media outlets are making a bigger deal of, some of the jurors being struck for cause. That's absolutely normal. If you're watching this, you have been oversaturated with this case, so it's no surprise that people in the surrounding areas have heard about this case and maybe have formed some opinions about it. That is totally normal, and it's totally normal to go through a bunch of jurors to get the ones you want, the ones that are unbiased and can be fair. The prosecutor warned the potential jurors of the grisly evidence that will be shown in this trial, and one juror did get a cause challenge because they were sensitive to graphic images, and some other potential jurors were given cause challenges for financial hardships, child care issues, and the like. Again, this is totally normal. It's not like there's only 200 people in this town, right? And if they run through the 1,800 prospective jurors, they can just get some more. Today, April 4th, 2023, the defendant, Lori Vallow, was seen being attentive again, taking notes. Here's one of the sketches from today from the sketch artist. Through people live tweeting, we found out that one of the potential jurors' wives filled him in on the case. He said, I guess he didn't ask for it, but she filled him in on all the details, so then he was dismissed for cause. Another potential juror, who was a probation officer on vacation in Kauai, heard about the case. Then I think that was when they were over there, when Chad and Lori were over there. So Archibald, Lori's attorney, tried to get the potential juror struck for implied bias. I'm not sure what the implied bias would be. The prosecution objected, the judge agreed. So just note, if the defense doesn't like this juror for whatever reason, they still feel the same way once they get to the magic number of 42 potential jurors, they can use one of their peremptory challenges against him. This is supposed to be a sketch of Rob Wood, and boy, doesn't he look thrilled to death, right? The voir dire is being done in waves or panels. So by groups, they'll do a set group and then they'll winnow them down. Then they'll get a new set in, winnow them down, get a new set in, winnow them down, and so on. By the end of the day, after the fourth wave, 25 pre-selected jurors have been chosen. So once they get to the magic number of 42, I believe that's when they'll do their peremptory challenges and get down to 18 jurors. And that's where we stand. And regarding the daily trial audio, I'm not sure if it's available during the jury selection. I looked around for it. Perhaps I didn't look hard enough, or perhaps that's going to happen once the trial starts, which makes more sense. And while I realize that a case can be won and lost in jury selection by choosing appropriately, choosing wisely for your client or for the state, I also think that it's not hurting any of us not to listen to the jury selection at this point, because we can't see anything, can't see their body language, any of it. And I just wanted to give credit to Nate Eaton at Nate News Now. This is on Twitter. He's in the courtroom, in the overflow room, live tweeting, also is committed to buying the audio and uploading it when it's available. I like Nate. He's a reputable source, and I recommend him. So follow him on Twitter for the daily updates. On a side note, if you find that true crime is hard to take sometimes and these cases get so dark and you're feeling kind of down and you need a positive affirmation, you need some positive input, I have a second channel, and it's called Daily Positive Affirmations by Thielen. It's here on YouTube. I think I have 4 videos up so far. So if that's your thing, check it out. If you have any requests, let me know. I believe it's important for everyone to keep their mental health in check. And I have to admit, true crime is a downer. It is a big, huge downer. And sometimes you have to have that thing that cleanses your palate, cleanses your soul. And for me, that's the positive affirmations. So check it out if you're interested. If not, that's fine. If you like this video, push a like, hit the subscribe button, and we can watch this trial together, or at least listen to it together. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and thanks for listening. Bye.